Today we discuss about the CSIR NET question paper of 2017 June. This is the physics question paper. Here the gain of the circuit given below minus of 1 divided by omega RC. The modification in the circuit required to introduce a DC feedback is to add a resistor. So we can draw the circuit in modified is we can draw this is R, this is C capacitor, then this is the resistance, here this is R, this is the resistance, this is C, and this is the op amp here, and this is grounded. So, and this is connected with this terminal. So here the circuit is virtually short. So now applying KVL in inverting branch along output to input loop. This is the input loop. Here this is the input loop. This is the output loop. Output. So now applying KVL, we are applying KVL. Now applying KVL. Now applying KVL in inverting branch. Now applying KVL in inverting branch along output to input loop. Along output to input loop. That is V0 minus 0 divided by R parallel 1 by, so we can written as R parallel XC is equals to 0 minus V input divided by R. This is for the output and this is for the input. So then we can write this V0 divided by R divided by 1 plus j omega RC is equal to minus V input divided by R. So V0 divided by V input is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus j omega RC. So the amplitude of voltage gain, we can write the amplitude of voltage gain. The amplitude of voltage gain can be written as amplitude of voltage gain can be written as V0 by V input is equal to minus of 1 by root over of 1 plus omega square R square C square. This is the amplitude. Here this is minus 1 by modulus of this. This is the amplitude of this V0 by V input is equal to minus of 1 by amplitude of this. This equals to minus of 1 by omega RC. Hence the circuit, this V0 by V input is equals to minus of 1 by omega RC. So hence the circuit required to introduce a DC feedback. A DC feedback is parallel to C. As this amplitude is V0 by Vn is equal to this. So the circuit required to introduce a DC feedback which is parallel to C. So here answer option D is correct. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can WhatsApp us in this number. This is 9836793076. You can contact us in this number. This is 9836793076. So that's all for today. Thank you.